pagyaman na, Joel. Ibig sabihin, thank you. Na imbag abigat nyo amin ako, ibig sabihin, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Meron bang mga Ilocano dito? Ay, meron akong nakita. Sana maintindihan nyo ang aking babasahin. Siguro the first 2 or 3 minutes I will devote on an explanation or just a short summary of the novel from which I am going to read a chapter or just excerpt. This is the novel. This is the book which was given that was given in grant for writing. Babasahin ko siya sa Ilocano, pero perhaps just a brief introduction of what the book is all about. It says here, I perceive the 1960s up to the 80s generation of Indian as in transition because they are slowly being assimilated, if not enculturated, into the mainstream or pop culture through education, migration, and now the social media. Thus, they are quite traditional, quite modern, that is in between. The renewed interest in ethnic and indigenous study and research, impelled by the conditions of diaspora and alienation, cultural dislocation and hybridity, and global migration and transnationalism, has motivated the Tingyan to go back to the local cultural practices and traditional values. This is the impetus that drove me to conceptualize a novel embodying some long-lost cultural practices and some that are still existent today. One of these old practices, still occasionally practiced today, is dawak. This is a local healing practice or a healing ritual by the Tingyan that involves the medium who invokes the spirit to possess his or her body. The spirit speaks through the medium and tells what ails the sick and what remedies should be done. Akin to dawak are buyon, banaw, talado, and other forms of divination, which are still widely practiced in Abra and other parts of northern Luzon and the Cordilleras today. Halinawa, which is the title of the novel, is well-being. So, ginhawa ang ibig sabihin sa Filipino, Tagalog. Healing leads to well-being. Probably, the reason for the choice of that title will eventually be revealed as the novel unfolds. So, this novel proposes or tells the story of the father and son who will be reunited with their Tingyan roots through the son's efforts. It will start when the son wants to go back to a Tingyan community. He's an anthropologist who wants to study the healing practices of a community. And this awakens something in the father. So the excerpt or the chapter I'm going to read to you is where the father consults psychiatrist friend because of a recurring dream. And here is the excerpt. Nagwiniring laeng ni Director. It's about a recurrent dream. Ket hinistorya ni Dr. Manny itagtagayat na anagistayan at papada tilinaon na. Nagtungtong laeng ni psychiatrist alumdumit. Saan nga ta, agapot di ka ba'y naka-recover, iti pamatay ni kumadre? Tinamag na iagmay. Or, are you fighting your grief? Ket isulita ti mangrulog mamen ka? Namapay nga ubing. Ipalagit ko lang ang kumpad, nga daamin paset tayo managtali na etno ubing. And children are most affected by grief. Saan ka din? Regression to the child in you, kumpad. Intingig ni Dr. Mendez. Nagtungtong ni Dr. Manny ng ginagimik. When luadda ka di pinandagam, when luminadbedam, ang paset kinaubing mo, tadi mo kayat asangwen, when nadi mo kayat ang maukarkar, kapag da pasamak, itilahin na bilit, anang rin ito Nabayagan ako limen ni Dr. Manny, gusto di kong padre na, at dapat maturog ang higante, ikaunggan na, ni Rafi. Isuti ng riing itihigante. Ihigante ang nabayag at kinabalbalubal na. Ihigante ng pagalutnan na parmeknan. Inunggun ni Rafi day tapno makaring manenday tuwal. Lagi pa ang bumpat, nung manuti kawan tubing, itagtaginap mo. Mabalin na importante ng karita nga edad, kinangamanan ni Dr. Mendez. Padasan palagipen na itipadas mo ang may nalikitiritang edad. Nukasta magsubli-subli itagtaginap mo, kaya't naasawen, adi mo pa ilan nalaktawan na itang edad. Aging ka, adi mo marimbawan, rebibukan na ka, di na kaigaan na itataliba. Nagtungtong edman ni Dr. Manny. Kasanon kumpan, nasaan gayang day talagi, piso ay nagpalagipen, manranta asaanan nalagipen. At adamanan ang naska na sangwel, tadi na kalapit di pagtalnayin. Kas na selula ni cancer day takumpan. Mabalin na maturog tinamunday panawen. Ang namakariling, kasla traidor, ang rupmakenta. Do you believe in hypnosis to bring up to the fore, or to bring to the fore, long forgotten memories kumpan? Hiningigan ni Dr. Mendez ti kumpare na, no kayat mo, at dasay kaya naglista yung agkaban mo, gusto usari di hypnotismo, iti paragagas na. Ang mga matulungan na ka, masubyat day ka, kasi pinapalabas mo, tapno mga proseso. Dito'y atas na nakilag ni Dr. Manny, mararaem kas direktor kan si Rujano, di na kayat ang mapingawan day ka panagraem. Ang muna ti parikot na yung kayat nalayang na palignetan, knows to di akap na. Saan a psychiatrist nga mamam muna di bagina, kaya di banat at inalikunan na. Here is the translation. I try to translate it into English, and here it goes. The medical director shook his head. It's about a recurrent dream. And Dr. Manny narrated, the medical director is Dr. Manny. Dr. Manny narrated his dream, which seemed to carry a recurrent theme. The psychiatrist just nodded. Could it be that you haven't recovered from your grief due to the death of Kumadre? Of course, you understand the word Kumadre, right? He asked afterward. Or are you fighting your grief? And now it is trying to overpower you? But why the child? I just want to remind you, Kumpat, that there is a part of us that will always be a child. And children are most affected by grief. Isn't that so? Regression to the child in you, Kumpat? Dr. Mendez inclined his head. Dr. Manny nodded, but he did not speak. Or is there a part of your childhood that you repressed, or you wanted to run away from, or you do not want to remember? And something very recent just triggered such past. Dr. Manny remained silent. His kumpare is right. There is a sleeping giant inside. Rafi is the son. He has woken up the giant that he had been grappling with, the giant that he thought he had overcome. Rafi shook the giant up, and now it is awakened. Think about it, Kumpat. How old is the child in your dream? That age may be important to you. Dr. Mendez spoke again. Try to go back to your experiences when you were that age. If it recurs in your dream, it means there is something in that age that you haven't overcome yet. It will disturb you until you get to grips with it. The nightmare won't stop. Dr. Manny nodded his head again. Kumpat, what if the memory is too traumatic? That is why it is difficult to remember, or that I really intended to forget it. All the more that you need to face it, because it will not leave you in peace. It is just like a cancer cell. It can sleep for a long time, but when it wakes up, it is like a traitor that suddenly falls upon you. Do you believe in hypnosis to bring about, or to bring to the fore, long forgotten memories, Kumpat? Dr. Mendez inclined his head. If you want, we have a young psychiatrist who is using hypnotherapy to treat his patients. He may help you go back to the part of your past so you can process it. The psychiatrist's statement jolted the doctor into reality. He is a respected director and surgeon. He doesn't want that image to be marred. He knows what is bothering him, but he just wanted to confirm his suspicion. He is not a psychiatrist, but he knows himself and the things he turned away from. Yun ako. Maraming salamat.